points and lines. Qigong on canvas. Andres Locuta has experienced the inner feeling of a reality which is built out of invisible energies that are amazingly synchronized and which freely exist simultaneously. After practicing Qigong exercises, these realities come alive and almost visible to the eye with the guidance of movements. Intuitions and sensitivity. In some moments, the music is an incredible source of inspiration. In other times, a space filled with silence or even with explosions can find its way onto the canvas. It is the momentary experience of the meditative state of reflection. It is the search for a solution. There is always something that is alive and glows with a vibrant energy. It has the intention to tell you a story. What is the story? Come and see. For more information on the exhibit, you can follow the links in the description below.